Good evening, wetshaving enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome out of the rabbit hole with Cal Shaves. Tonight is Wednesday night. I did a shave Monday night, did a video, posted it. I'm not usually home on Wednesdays. My truck is broke down, so I get an extra day off. We are going to give the Ming Shi 3000S adjustable another try. We used this the other day, did a review of it. We're going to give it another go. So we got 2 days growth, which for me would be about 1 day's growth for a lot of guys. We dialed this one up to 5. Focus. Now again, I find that this mechanism very, very stiff. The adjustment mechanism. We got our brush cut in there. It'll be second use on it. Going to make sure the TTO knob is nice and tight. What I'm going to use tonight is Zingari Man Profit. This is from Melton. Unfortunately, this is the only set I have. This is myrrh, orange, and vanilla. I did a video previously of it, so we'll give it a go again tonight. Again, the scent is spicy. It's a very warm scent. And the matching balm as well. We're going to also use my PAA StarCraft. I believe this is a 24mm hybrid, not on here, synthetic. So we'll get that soaked into our sink in our hot water. And I think for the most part, we're just going to do kind of a fast forward or fast speed video, kind of a quick thing. So anyway, we'll get this geared up and yeah, we'll start our shave. Thirsty Badger porcelain lather bowl. Take with tucking your brush, just plaster it on. The more slickness, the more cushion, the better the protection. Do a clean up pass. There should be no real rhyme or reason to with or cross or against the grain. Again, 6.5. Going to use very little pressure. apply some more sensor and Heather because she just makes a mess. We're back. Cleaned up. Got it washed out. Gonna take my razor rock alum again. Wet it. Yeah, there's definitely some burning. A little bit of minor irritation up my neck. Better than my last shave with it, but still not BBS. I would call this one a DFS. So, okay, we'll rinse that off, put the balm on. So this is a 4-ounce matching balm. Just give a squirt. Love this scent. I definitely gotta buy more products from Linda or Heather, sorry. Overall, yeah. Better shave this time around than I got last time. That's set on 6.5. I did 2 passes, set on 5. In the last pass and cleanup, set on 6.5. Maybe it's the Vashcod blade. I've never had a bad Vashcod blade yet, but maybe that one's got some burrs in it or something. I will throw that and use a fresh one next time. But overall, as you'd expect, experience, makes for a better shave. So anyway, that'll do this one for tonight, guys. Just glad I had the chance to record this one before it's time to go back for trucking. So anyway, as always, your comments, your suggestions, good, bad, and different, please don't hesitate to leave them down below. And we'll see you again in a few days. You guys take care. Bye-bye.